Hello again, everyone. Welcome back to Speak Easy English. I am Henry.
Hi, friends. I am Luna. Today, we're going to talk about setting up internet service at home.
That's right. If you just moved to Canada or the United States, getting internet is one of the first things you will need.
Exactly. You might need to call a provider, compare different plans, and schedule an installation.
And sometimes it can feel confusing with all the choices, contract or no contract, different speeds, and hidden fees.
But don't worry. In this lesson, we'll guide you step by step, from the first phone call to the moment your Wi-Fi is ready to use.
These phrases will help you in real life. You'll learn what to say on the phone, what to ask when the technician comes, and how to talk about billing.
And remember, this is shadowing practice. We'll say the phrases slowly so you can repeat after us.
Repeating with us helps your pronunciation and makes the words stay in your memory.
So by the end of this episode, you'll feel confident setting up internet service anywhere in North America.
And please subscribe if you haven't yet. Your support helps us keep making these lessons for you.
All right, let's start with the first step, calling the internet provider.
Great. Let's practice the phone call to the internet company.
In North America, you can call customer service to start a new account. Online sign-up is possible too, but calling is very common.
The agent may answer with, "How can I help you today?"
You can say, "I'd like to set up internet service at my home."
If you already know what you need, you can add, "I just moved in," or "I need high-speed internet."
Shadowing time. Repeat after us. "I'd like to set up internet service at my home."
The agent may ask, "What is your address?"
You can reply, "My address is 25 Green Street, apartment 3.
They may also ask, "Do you already have an account with us?"
If it is new, you can say, "No, I am a new customer."
If they need your name, say, "My name is Daniel Kim."
And for contact details, they might ask, "What is your phone number or email?"
You can answer, "My phone number is 647-555-3982.
If you want to know about cost, you can ask, "How much is the monthly fee?"
Or, "Are there any installation charges?"
Good work. Once you finish the call, the next step is learning about plans and prices.
Now that you've made the call, the next step is asking about internet plans and prices.
The agent may say, "We have several packages available."
You can ask, "What internet speeds do you offer?"
They might answer, "We have 50 megabits, 150 megabits, and 1 gigabit plans."
To compare, you can ask, "How much is the monthly cost for each plan?"
If you want something clear, you can say, "I need internet mainly for video calls and streaming."
That helps the agent suggest the right speed for you.
If you are worried about extra costs, ask, "Are there any hidden fees?"
Or is there an installation fee?
Sometimes providers give discounts. You can ask, "Do you have any promotions for new customers?"
And if you don't want a long contract, say, is there a month-to-month option?
Good work. Asking these questions helps you avoid surprises later.
Once you choose a plan, the next step is scheduling the installation.
Now that you've chosen your internet plan, it's time to set up an appointment for the installation.
The agent may ask, when would you like the technician to come?
You can answer, "I am available this Friday afternoon."
Or, mornings are better for me next week.
If you want to confirm, you can ask, "How long will the installation take?"
They might reply, it usually takes about 1 hour.
If you live in an apartment, the agent may ask, "Do you need permission from the building manager?"
You can answer, no, it is okay, or yes, I will check with the office.
Sometimes they will give you a time window, like between 10 a.m. and 12 p.m.
If that time is not good, you can say, could you give me a later time?
Once the date is set, the agent may say, "The technician will arrive on Friday at 11 a.m.
You can confirm by saying, great, I will be home then.
Perfect. The installation is scheduled and the next step is meeting the technician at home.
On the day of installation, it's important to be at home when the technician arrives.
The technician may say, "Hello, I'm here to install your internet service."
You can reply, welcome, please come in.
If they ask where the modem should go, you can say, "Could you place it near the living room?"
Or, I'd like it close to my desk for work.
Sometimes the technician will need access to a phone jack or cable outlet. They might ask, "Where is the outlet located?"
You can show them and say, it's over here in the corner.
If they need to drill or run a cable, they may ask, "Is it okay if I drill a small hole?"
You can reply, yes, that's fine, or please make it as small as possible.
The technician may also explain, "The setup will take about 1 hour."
You can answer, no problem, I will be here.
Great. Once the equipment is set up, the next step is testing the connection.
When the installation is done, the technician will usually check the internet right away.
They may say, "Let's test if the Wi-Fi is working."
You can reply, sure, I will try it on my phone.
If the page loads quickly, you can say, "The internet is working fine."
If it seems slow, you might ask, is the speed correct for my plan?
The technician may explain, "Yes, this is the normal speed," or "I will adjust the settings."
If you want to check on another device, you can say, can I connect my laptop too?
You can also ask, "What is the Wi-Fi name and password?"
The technician might reply, the network name is Green Home and the password is printed on the modem.
If you can't connect, say, "The Wi-Fi is not showing on my phone."
The technician may restart the modem and say, please try again.
Once it works, you can confirm by saying, "Yes, I am connected now."
Great! When the connection is ready, the next step is learning how to handle common problems.
Sometimes, even after installation, the internet may stop working.
The technician or agent may ask, "What problem are you having?"
You can say, "The Wi-Fi is not connecting," or "The signal is very weak."
If the internet goes off and on, you can explain, "The connection keeps dropping."
The agent might suggest, "Please restart the modem and router."
You can reply, "Okay, I will try that now."
If you still have trouble, ask, "Can you send a technician to check?"
Or, "Is there a service outage in my area?"
If you forgot your password, you can say, "I can't remember my Wi-Fi password."
The agent may answer, "You can find it on the back of the modem."
And if the issue continues, you can say, "Could you guide me step by step?"
Good work. When the problem is solved, the next step is asking about extra services.
Once your internet is running, you may hear about extra services from the provider.
The agent might say, "We also offer TV channels or a home phone line."
If you are interested, you can ask, "How much is the bundle with internet and TV?"
Or, "Is there a discount if I add a phone line?"
Sometimes they will ask about faster speeds. You can reply, "I only need basic speed." Or, "Yes, I'd like to upgrade."
If you want to be clear, you can ask, "Can I change the plan later if my needs change?"
The agent might also mention special promotions for new customers.
You can ask, "How long does the promotion last?"
And if you don't want extra services, you can politely say, "No, thank you, I only need internet."
Great! After learning about extras, the next step is to understand billing and payment options.
When your service is active, you also need to understand how billing works.
The agent may ask, "Would you like to receive your bill by email or by mail?"
You can answer, "Please send it by email," or "I prefer paper bills."
If you want automatic payments, you can say, "Can I set up auto pay with my bank account?"
The agent might reply, "Yes, we can connect it to your credit card or debit card."
If you are not sure about payment dates, ask, "When is the bill due each month?"
Or, "Can I choose my payment date?"
Sometimes you may have fees you don't understand. You can say, "Could you explain this charge on my bill?"
And if you want to confirm methods, ask, "Do you accept e-transfer or online banking?"
You can reply, "That works for me. I will pay online."
Great! Once billing is clear, the next step is learning how to cancel or change your plan if needed.
Sometimes you may need to cancel your internet service or move it to a new address.
The agent may ask, "Why do you want to cancel your plan?"
You can answer, "I am moving to another city," or "I found a cheaper option."
If you just want to change, you can say, "I'd like to switch to a faster plan."
The agent might explain, "There is a fee if you cancel before the contract ends."
You can ask, "How much is the cancellation fee?"
If you are moving, say, "Can I transfer my service to my new address?"
The agent may reply, "Yes, we can set up installation at your new home."
If you want to keep the same number or account, ask, "Can I keep my account details the same?"
And if you are not ready, you can say, I need more time to decide.
Good work. Once you understand canceling and changes, the final step is reviewing everything in a summary role play. Wow! We've covered so many useful phrases for setting up internet service.
Yes, we practiced how to call the provider, ask about plans, and schedule installation.
We also looked at talking with the technician, testing the connection, and solving problems.
And don't forget asking about extra services, handling billing, and even canceling or changing your plan.
These are all real-life phrases you can use in Canada or the United States.
Now let's do a short role play to put everything together.
Hello, I'm calling to set up internet service.
Sure, may I have your address?
It's 25 Green Street. What plans do you have?
We have a 150 megabit plan for $60.
That sounds good. Can the technician come on Friday morning?
Yes, we can schedule it for 10 a.m.
Great, thank you.
All set. The technician will arrive on Friday at 10.
Now here's your challenge. Let's see what you remember.
1. What question can you ask about hidden fees?
2. What phrase can you use if the Wi-Fi is not working?
3. How can you ask about automatic payments?
If you missed any, go back and listen again.
For extra practice, try acting out the scene with a friend.
And if you want to review today's key phrases, we've prepared a free word list for you.
You can download it from the link in the description.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this lesson to support our channel.
Thanks for listening, and keep practicing your English every day.